What if I told you that you are moving through space right now at incredible speed? It may not feel like it. You may feel completely still. But the truth is, you are standing on a planet that is constantly in motion. This motion is called the revolution of the Earth. The Earth revolves around the Sun. It follows a path known as an orbit. This orbit is not a perfect circle. Instead, it is slightly stretched. Scientists call this shape an ellipse. Because of this, the distance between the Earth and the Sun changes slightly throughout the year, but not enough to cause seasons. Now here's something important. The Earth takes about 365 days and 6 hours to complete one full revolution around the Sun. That extra 6 hours is why we have a leap year every 4 years. Without it, our calendar would slowly drift out of sync. But the revolution of the Earth is only part of the story. At the same time, the Earth is also spinning. This spinning motion is called rotation. Earth rotates once every 24 hours. This is what creates day and night. So while one part of the Earth faces the Sun and experiences daylight, another part is in darkness. Now imagine both motions happening together. The Earth is spinning on its axis, while also traveling around the Sun. This creates a continuous and complex movement. Now let's talk about something even more important: the tilt of the Earth. The Earth is tilted at about 23.5 degrees. This tilt is the key reason we experience seasons. As the Earth revolves around the Sun, different parts of the planet receive different amounts of sunlight. When the northern hemisphere is tilted toward the Sun, it experiences summer. Days become longer. Sunlight is more direct. Temperatures rise. At the same time, the southern hemisphere is tilted away from the Sun. It experiences winter. Days become shorter. Temperatures drop. 6 months later, the situation reverses. This is why seasons are opposite in different parts of the world. Now let's explore this further. During summer, the Sun appears higher in the sky. This means sunlight is more concentrated. During winter, the Sun stays lower in the sky. This spreads the sunlight over a larger area and makes it less intense. That's why it feels colder. Now consider the equator. Regions near the equator receive fairly consistent sunlight throughout the year. That's why they don't experience extreme seasons. But near the poles, things are very different. In places like the Arctic, there can be days when the sun does not set. This is called the midnight sun. And in winter, there are periods of complete darkness. This is known as polar night. All of this is caused by the tilt and revolution of the Earth. Now let's talk about speed. The Earth moves around the Sun at about 107,000 kilometers per hour. That's over 29 kilometers per second. It is incredibly fast, yet we don't feel it. Why? Because everything around us is moving at the same speed. The air, the oceans, and even our bodies are all part of this motion. So there is no sudden change for us to feel. Now think about this. The Earth is not moving alone. It is part of the solar system, and the entire solar system is moving through the Milky Way galaxy. At the same time, our galaxy is also moving through the universe. This means that you are traveling through space at unimaginable speed, every single second, even while sitting still. The revolution of the Earth plays a critical role in life. It helps regulate climate. It controls seasons. It influences ecosystems. Plants depend on sunlight patterns. Animals adapt to seasonal changes, and humans structure their lives around the calendar. Without the revolution of the Earth, there would be no stable seasons. Life would be very different, possibly impossible. Now imagine if Earth did not tilt. There would be no seasons at all. Every place would experience nearly the same conditions all year round. Now imagine if Earth did not revolve around the Sun. There would be no years, no changing seasons, no natural cycle of time as we know it. The motion of the Earth is essential. It is one of the most important processes in nature, and yet, we barely notice it. So the next time you look up at the sky, remember this: you are standing on a planet that is spinning, orbiting, and traveling through space at incredible speed, and you don't even feel it. The universe is full of motion and wonder. Please subscribe to Knowledge Junction for more amazing facts.